What was that? You don't know how to do your eyeliner? I got you. A lot of you guys have been asking me to do an eyeliner tutorial. So I'm going to show you how I like to do my eyeliner. Because as you can see, my eyes are kind of stupid. But first, let's prep our lids. I'm going to put some concealer, just a little bit. And just so my eyes won't look so plain, I'm going to take my bronzer and a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to go in right on my nose contour. And I'm going to bring that all the way out like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. I just want some color on my lids. I don't want to look all like fucking stupid like this. And then I'm going to wing it out so it could just slightly lift the face. I'm also just going to put a little bit on the edge of my crease. And there we go. That's it. When doing your eyeliner, it's really just all about practice. I hated eyeliner until just recently where I found out how to do the eyeliner on like my stupid ass eyelids. Because every eyeliner I ever did was always kind of chweck and wonky and just didn't look cute. Until now. I'm going to be using the KVD Super Pomade in the shade Graphite 80 or whatever the fuck. But you could use any eyeliners you want. You could use the eyeliner pencils. You can use the fucking sharpening eyeliner ones. You could use the fucking pomade eyeliner. Whatever the fuck you want. Whatever you feel comfortable with. But I like to use the pomade one. So I'm just dipping into the pomade using an angled brush. This is what that looks like. Okay, now I'm going to zoom you guys in. Okay? So you see my waterline. What I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to like continue it on. See how it's going like this? I like to like just keep it going. You know what I mean? Watch. Watch out. And then just take it however long you want it. But do you see how I basically just like continued it? That's what I like to do. How long I want it. Now I'm just gonna go in halfway and connect that down here. You could use a little hand mirror. I'm just using my phone camera. But remember to always look at your mirror. Like look straight into your mirror and do it. Never look fucking down or up. No, look straight into that shit. But anyways, now I'm just gonna go in and I'm gonna thicken it out just a little bit. And once again, bringing that into there. You see that? See how I'm just like, you know, going with the flow. Continuing to look straight ahead. And I'm just going to bring it in a little more. Just to the center. Just like that. Now I'm just going to fill in the end. She's really cute. She's really simple. Now I'm just going to pop on some lashes. And this is the final look.